Hi everyone, welcome back. This is my cousin Erin.
Hi.
If you watched the hydromel tasting video, then you have already met her. Today's kind of a special day, I guess. So
yeah, it's an anniversary of sorts.
It's an anniversary of sorts. It is the 1 year since bottling. So these have been bottled for a full year now of my first Meads that I feel very questionable about.
I'm actually really excited about this.
It's gonna be really interesting.
I tried them like a really long time ago, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
and this one was awful.
Was that which one was that?
The raspberry blueberry was a really bad one.
Okay, yes.
I no longer have, I didn't realize that all of those are gone, but they are. So we have a banana spice mead. So remember, the banana was more so cinnamon.
Yes.
I didn't really feel like it tasted banana-y, but we will see.
I remember that, yeah, because you said that you wanted to add more next time.
I do want to remake a banana. I just haven't done it yet. This is the Blackberry. Oh, it is a Blackberry Lavender Vanilla, which I actually have everything to remake this and make it like good.
It might be good. We don't know yet.
It might be. These were all, well, this one was sweet. This was a stuck fermentation. These two are very dry. And this is the Blackberry Lavender Oaked.
Okay.
Which I don't think I tried it, honestly, because there wasn't very much of it.
Yeah, I don't remember. I don't think I tried it. I don't remember doing the oaked one, but I know I've had this. I know for a fact that I had this.
Yeah.
Because I actually really like that one.
The banana was actually pretty good before. You know what?
Yeah.
Let's do this one last.
All right.
Because we know it was good.
Let's save the potentially best for last.
Yeah, okay. Oh, there was some CO2 caught in there.
That's probably.
Yeah, that's probably
now.
perfect, because who knows how good it is. We might, I'll make mine a little bit more equal.
Cheers.
Cheers! All right, let's smell it.
I mean, it smells good.
It smells kind of...
I guess I don't know. Does it smell okay?
Actually...
I mean, it smells... What's in this one? Lavender?
Blackberries, lavender, and then I guess I put vanilla in it at some point.
I smell the vanilla. I don't know about it.
It's better than it was. It's been a year.
Yeah.
For aging, it should be like, you know, it should be good, but it's not. It's just not very good.
No.
It's a little weird.
It's kind of weird.
Yeah. The flavors just are not right.
But unlike the other one where like it was weird, but I liked it, like this one is just like, it's weird. It's the kind of weird that you just don't want to really be around.
I think this was the one that I dumped most of the bottles down the drain because I couldn't drink it.
Well deserved. I mean, it's drinkable,
But it's not
but I
very
don't know why you'd
enjoyable.
want to.
No, it's not enjoyable. It's just bad.
Yeah, that one's not my fave.
Well, let's compare it to the oak and see if
Okay.
we can taste oak.
Maybe.
It's the only thing I've ever oaked.
Okay.
So I don't really know.
It does smell different.
Oh, it does.
That one though, this one like lied to you because you smell the vanilla and you're
smells a
like,
little bit
wow,
better.
like it smells pretty good. And then you drink it and it's like, no.
Not very much blackberry. I think the fruit.
I tried it.
I love how guilty. Like, I tried it.
I can taste the oak.
Yeah, no, you can. I think it helps smooth it out.
Oh yeah, definitely. Okay, so if you like wine that's been in oak barrels, you might like this.
Maybe.
It's not like the most mead tasting thing I've ever.
It is very dry, wine-ish.
Mm-hmm.
Not enough fruit. I mean, the blackberry is like not there.
What is that exactly? What is this taste? Like I taste the oak, but what is that other thing?
It's weird.
It's weird.
This is bad.
I mean, but you've grown and learned so much since then. So
Oh yeah. I mean, this is like,
I didn't eat a whole lot, so maybe that's what it is. But like these must be heavy hitters because I'm feeling a little like.
I had it listed at 14.4%, but even back at that time, it was like, tastes like high alcohol, needs aging. It still tastes like alcohol. I don't
Yeah,
believe, I
it
think it's
does.
higher than 14, because that is like, it like burns a little. Those
But
might just still go down the drain. I don't know.
yeah, maybe it's time to give up the dream of those ones.
Goodbye. Don't
Goodbye.
like you. You kind of suck.
Good riddance.
I have more hope for the bananas.
Okay. Yeah. I think that maybe this one will be fine.
I need a palate cleanser.
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. They linger in your mouth.
I know. That's a lavender latte too. So like in direct comparison, it does not taste like, this does not taste like lavender.
No.
I don't know what that one tastes like.
Okay. That also kind of spit. Why are you bubbling?
It is bubbling.
Why are you carbonated? You're so old. It's totally carbonated.
Okay, so it smells like banana.
What?
It is, yeah, it's
What
really
the
carbonated.
frick?
These weren't, right?
No.
Not really?
No, and this, the last time I tried it, it was totally still. And that was like last summer.
Yeah,
It just decided to re-ferment all by itself.
Wow. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
It tastes like banana now.
Yeah. It actually does kind of taste like banana. It's like banana and cinnamon.
It tastes good, but I also wish it wasn't carbonated.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be.
Thinking.
What the hell were you thinking? Kind of makes me mad, honestly, because it's like, I don't know. I mean, I know it was a stuck fermentation. It ended very sweet, but it stayed still for so long. We tried it in the middle of summer.
Way the fuck, yeah. That might have been like, is that when my dad was here?
I think so. Oh, you know, it's not that, it didn't end that sweet. It was only 1.014. It just tasted sweeter.
Because like the carbonation, I feel like, is kind of, like it tricks you into thinking it's not as sweet. The flavor is actually really good.
It's not bad.
But
it's weird.
It's the carbonation that's throwing us off, I think. Because like,
well, and it changes.
Generally, you don't have carbonated banana things.
No, it changes the flavor. It's like, it renews the youth. You know, now it's not like it's just been aging for a year because it was secretly carbonating. It just mystifies me that after a year. I mean, I don't know when it did it.
It's been a year. Well, okay.
Okay then. All right, frickin' banana.
It's like not the best, but also I want more. I like the flavor.
It doesn't leave a weird aftertaste either.
Man, now I feel like I gotta take a nap.
I know, now I'm like, woo!
I gotta take a fucking nap. Why am I drinking more of it?
Curiosity.
Yeah, it's like I just can't stop.
You can't help it.
I think it's like I want it to be better than it is, but it's okay. Like it's pretty, the taste is good.
It's drinkable.
I keep wanting it to not be carbonated.
You know, usually the things that accidentally carbonate are good. They're great. But this is, it's just, no. It's not supposed to be carbonated. Not that flavor is like, it's just weird.
Yeah, it's strange because like I said, like the flavor is really good. Like you can taste the banana, you can taste the cinnamon, you can taste the honey. But
carbonation is weird, man. Thanks, yeast.
Yeah.
For still living.
They died and then it was like zombie plague of yeast.
I like that one. Okay. I like the zombie plague. We'll take that.
Why do I keep drinking it?
I don't know, please do, because I think I have one more. I'm like hot.
Yeah, is it hot down here?
I mean, it's really hot.
We're like, what's happening?
It's really hot, but also like just too much mead. You want more of that? I don't know.
Maybe
well, these
a little
are good
bit.
though. We can drink more of these.
Okay.
All right, everyone, we're gonna go because we're just gonna drink and maybe eat some pickles and crackers.
I love that. So like, when she asked me if I wanted to do the meat tasting, I was like, you know, hell yeah. And she's like, do you have any snacks? Like, you bring snacks? I have like pickles and crackers. And it's like, it's almost like I'm going to like give blood, where she's like, you need to like make sure that, you know, you've eaten enough so that you don't pass out.
Yeah.
Like, flat on your face.
So you don't get wasted at like, not even 2 o'clock.
Fine, it's afternoon. It's good. It's good. No. It's not good. It's satisfactory. It gets like I would say like a B+.
B+?
Yeah, I would say B+. What is your opinion on it?
if I had to grade, okay, hang on.
Okay, yeah, no, grade them, please.
Let's get rid of these.
Okay, bye.
I mean, this one comes before. That's the oak and that's the non.
Right.
For sure.
Right.
But because they're all bad, we can't like grade it like the last ones.
I think that's what it is like I'm grading, based on the scale of like this.
Yeah, so.
Well, if it was the scale of this would be like a fucking A.
I know. I feel like a solid B for banana.
Okay.
Maybe.
B for banana.
Yeah.
I got you. What's this one?
F minus.
It's kind of weird. I kind of want to try it again, though.
Go for it. I don't want it.
Why am I doing this? I don't know.
You're torturing yourself.
It got worse. I taste the vanilla, but it's not happy. It's not a happy vanilla. That's
it's gross and weird.
Vanilla.
It is a very sad.
It doesn't know why you did this to it.
Well, what about that one?
She's gonna regret ever bringing me on this shit. All right, let's see. Also gross. Somehow. Okay, yeah. Kind of is like licking a 2x4.
So the first one is, why did you do this to me?
Yeah, that's what this one is called.
And this is licking a 2x4.
Do you see what I mean?
It did get worse.
It
How did that happen?
And like, it tastes like, is it not very like woody? And then there's like an afternote of paste.
Oh my God, no.
It's like,
it tastes like cough syrup.
Yeah, it does taste like.
Now it tastes like cough syrup.
It tastes like cough syrup. Well, luckily, I mean, like, you could market it like that. Because, like, if you drink enough of it, you just, like, forget that you have a cough.
Did it get so much?
You just pass out.
It literally got worse since opening it and exposing it to air.
It just tastes more like licking this table. Give me the banana stuff.
I feel about it. Is that one worse?
But listen, no. Since trying these two, and they've somehow gotten worse, this one tastes better. I don't know. I have nothing to compare it to. I was gonna say like say you have like two siblings and they both fail. And then you're like, you got like a C+. Like, and your family's like, wow, we're so proud of you. Because compared to your siblings, like, you're doing so good. Like, that's what this is.
I agree.
That's the like C+ kid who like looks like an A student next to these assholes. This one, how did it get to be almost gone?
You kept drinking it.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yeah, it's very hot, but I
need
don't
to
think
pee.
it's actually hot. Well, there's a bathroom right there.
All right, I'm gonna
You're
go.
in luck.
Hang on, I'm gonna go pee.
Okay.
We're just gonna take that off.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Dude, this vlog is gonna be so weird. I'm so sorry. Rock and roll, hello, rock and roll, goodbye.
What?
From fucking Metalocalypse. Remember Pickles got super drunk and he was like, rock and roll, hello, rock and roll, goodbye.
I used to be able to do the Pickles accent, but I don't think I can
Because he
do
had
it.
like that weird like Wisconsin.
I'm drunk. I'm drunk.
I'm really
drunk. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Whatever this was.
Thanks for watching it. Yes, we appreciate you. Oh my Lord. Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right, anyway.
Oh my God, these poor people. It's fine. Yeah, no, not this one. That one's not the one. Also not the one. Decent, but not the one right now, because they're not very alcoholic. This one, kind of the one. The one for this whole thing, but not like the one in general. I think that the one is actually, well, for me, you know, we all have different loves of our lives, but the one for me is the rosemary raspberry. Raspberry rosemary? Did I say that right? Anyway, that one's really good. Oh God, the strawberry. The strawberry is super fucking good. Like just the regular strawberry. Buy that shit. Wait, no, don't. I'm sorry. ABC laws. Don't buy it. will give you some to try for free. No, not that either. Just come hang out for a little bit. And you'll probably try some. I'm talking to your audience.
Oh, that's cool.
You're gonna have to like edit this later.